Thinkorswim versus Lightspeed, Full Guide and Comparison 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a comparison between Thinkorswim and Lightspeed. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is the platform fees. Over here, Thinkorswim is free for Schwab clients, while Lightspeed charges fees for its platforms. After that, let's compare commissions. Over here, Thinkorswim offers commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, whereas Lightspeed's commission structure is designed for high-frequency traders. Then, let's look at trading tools. Over here, Thinkorswim provides extensive technical studies and charting tools, while Lightspeed focuses on high-speed trade execution with direct market access. After that, let's talk about market access. Over here, Lightspeed offers extended pre-market trading from 4 am and after-hours trading until 8 p.m., while Thinkorswim starts pre-market trading at 8 am. Then let's discuss which platform is best for you. Over here, if you are a trader looking for a cost-effective platform with strong analytical tools, Thinkorswim is a great choice. After that, if you are a professional trader who needs rapid execution and direct market access, Lightspeed is ideal. So that's a comparison between Thinkorswim and Lightspeed. That's all for this video.